On paper man uke wayibona leyo billion akanayo. Which bank holds that money? Because we all know ukuthi le economy abasitshela ngayo the banks only hold 10% of the money. Ayo ukuthi banks only have 10% of the money they claim the economy is. Just say 1599. Bantu won't question the 99 because 99 means perfection. The number ukuthi is perfection kuphelele manje akekho umuntu ozobuza ini. Take it or leave it. You don't have to negotiate. You bona kuplantelwe all the big brands ama-shop lawa they use 1599 2099 instead of just saying 21 rand. No, it's called numerology. You have to study the numbers. It's not a coincidence. All right, why ngithi umsamo nabafundisi benu nabo bonke ngeke nithathe umhlaba? Simply because umhlaba wa dedicate latho uSathani altari leli abadibana khona nani no Sathani njalo nini nge-16 December uvumelekile ukuyohlola listing every day of the year except nge-16 December la khona i-youth and everybody badakiwe aliens and demons and imimoya ipoko azihlala kunoswayiko. That's why makunento ekuhluphayo phuma ngaphandle wenzeni uhasha uswayi yini leyo? Is it because iflavor wathanda iflavor yoswayi ama demoni mhlawumbe ungatheli peripera ngathi aziyakhipha ndoda? No, it's frequency. All right, ngisaqhubeka ngefrequency ngifuna uunderstand ngifuna
uyabona manje mina ngizokutshela mina you are cooking since uleli bottle sulifaka inyawo izinto ezishintshile.
Yes, but lama countries lawa kushisa khona and even noma abantu bawufew ama ingozi.
Welcome to the Dove Show. Of course, I hope I didn't Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing as usual. I call my man James, and on my right, I call my man Kanda. And I'm going to do one story at that time and one testimony at that time. If you're new to the channel, welcome. It's the road to 200,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Make sure you share it, you like it, you don't skip the ads, and you watch the episode until the end. And you give thanks, man. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. You can also help us to donate. Our account shown after the disclaimer. We want to buy our sisters sanitary towels, so please help us to do that, to achieve that. So yeah, thank you so much. James, are we on Grace?
We on Grace, go to 200,000 subscribers. I see a bonga to all the ones who subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, press that button.
Yeah, but for me to spread like to road to 200,000. Then we start a picture. Yeah. The for balance kahle ibhodi.
No, right.
Albalance.
We can't down na mabhodi. Wakwaba uthisha.
Hayi lutho.
Oyinto ikhandela ukuthi usuhlele yakhana.
Yeah, ukucabanga nje yona. When you put your mind to it, like you don't need 8 million, like I mean, rent. Nah, there's no budget. Just do it. You know, it's a makeshift thing. Yeah, extend. Yeah. It was done. Finished.
Yeah, and it is hlazi ngalithanda. Nama
Shaya planning entswembu.
Nama ngazi ukuthi ngalithathela ukuthi ngolenzani kodwa khona into ongathi ungayithatha. Ufuna ukuba nayo nje.
Usukuthi une plan for yona.
Ethatha uyalibona iport leti. Ubafuna wakhuluma kakhulu. Bathe leli port lelivusa apha ube nelishasha.
No, yilo leliyana.
Unama.
Yeah, yilo leliyana I just put it frame nje kuphela.
Oh,
yeah.
Well, next time ngebuye. Liwulime.
Linamavili.
Elinamavili.
Thuthi senisiwe walipush.
Sabalance.
I was for creative. Hi, bafo.
We on Grace.
Konye uqhubeka kuphi James?
Right, mina makungebhodi bafethu. Isikhathi sesikolo.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm ready to hear what ilesina namuhla.
Yeba futhi awukhohlwa into yokubhala.
No, ikhona.
Awuphethe iziningi.
Okay.
Kanento yokusula.
Huh? It does.
Kanento yokusula. Utishera umuntu uphelele. Shoti nganix. Thina just have to sit back.
Sekushoda nje uthi aphathi induku.
Futhi induku.
Yani manje
yokushaya bangezwe.
The lesson is about to start.
Yeah. Bafo. Over to you. Cela ubingelele emakhaya bese sihlala phe kwayo.
Okay. Ngibingelele emakhaya. Yeah, episode 2 lo.
Oh, it's 2, number 2.
Huh?
Number 2 vele.
Yeah, it's number 2. Yeah. It's not actually ukuthi ngizothi episode 2, but it's session number 2. Yeah, if I put it like that, because episode lesson number 2.
Amamochu.
Yeah, ngoba mangizothi episode I believe kuna that thing to say it's continuation. Yabo? Nah, we move on. We're not bitter. We're not petty kangaka ukuthi hey Tabombeki. No. We are moving on. Yeah. Igama uNjabulo. Yeah. I'm here to share testimony and to teach as to how the revelations and teachings of the Lord apply in real life. Yeah. So after sengibona episode, I'm like sengitshela abantu, I'm like, yeah, hayibo, yebana. Which one is this one? I'm like, okay, there's also certain there's snippets. Yabona umuntu akhathe le portion ayifunayo to save narrative yakhe. God was like, yeah, you okay, you know what? Change the format. Teach, don't debate, don't negotiate, teach manje. Ngoba when you bring the people ngathini to the party, and not as guests but as what do you call equals to a certain point, it dilutes the cooking, whatever the dishes. So namhlanje ngibuyile ngizofundisa futhi. I pray that the Almighty be with me and us sonke throughout of this thing, so that i-message le ngisho kube ngeyakhe, ngoba makungeyami hayi kube ngimane ngahlala endlini yazi ngahlukana nento eziningi. Namhlanje I believe ama topics esizokhuluma ngawo, it's just two topics namhlanje. It's called language and frequency. Language and frequency. Yeah. Nkulunkulu uthi hamba ngikuthumile, go and give the people their working papers. Ukuthi how are they going to escape this system? How to escape this system? Because they're like, we are bound. Guys, you have 50 rand petrol per liter. Sizokwenza njani? No. God is saying, once I'm done with this system, fuel will be $9 a liter. Yeah, mina, because I'm the God. They're really emancipated, not to Mandela. Ay, come on, man, that's plastic. Yeah, so sikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu uThixo, the real one who took the Israelites out of Egypt, opened the Red Sea, aphinde wabawalisa iJordani, bathi mabalambile wadiliza imana mabomile wakhipha amanzi edwaleni. The real one, the Messiah. Yeah. Side note, ngazi noma ngisho kahle. Yeah. Ngiphuma kancane ku-topic out-2 ama-topics engizokhuluma ngawo. Just for a continuation ya last time, there are people who think I'm grumpy or I'm bitter or I'm jealous of Elon Musk. If you guys can remember last episode, I said, why is Elon Musk worth 31 or 39 billion US dollars? Why? Wenzeni? I feel ukuthi I did not give the proper explanation and the full answer as to why he is not. And there's no one even emhlabeni futhi who will ever be. Lento amanga, it's a lie. All right. One, bengikhulume ngendaba ye Tesla. Tesla makes about 120, sometimes 400 cars per month. 400 or 120. Yayizonto le. So why is he worth so much? Oh, umunye uzothi, phela you've forgotten is SpaceX. Ne? All right. Angithi kuthi une SpaceX. The SpaceX what thing yakhe where he gets to replenish the ISS, where he gets to destroy and rebuild the ISS, he gets government contracts and whatnot. All right, siqale lapho debunking the whole thing. Space doesn't exist. Akunento nje kuthiwa ispace. Siqaleni lapho nje ngifuna ukunisiza abantwana ngasekhaya understand ukuthi ngihamba ngamuphi ushuni, ngihamba ngesinye ispeed senombolo manje. Yasezulwini. Yeah, ile khulunywa Abraham. I believe this is Bible, ne? Yeah, iBible leli. Yeah, let's just be sure ukuthi iBible angibuyanga nelami, so that we know ukuthi this is Bible, the Holy Bible. Yeah. All right. Why ngithi Elon Musk is not worth space doesn't exist, so that you will get your working papers easily. Wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakuthanda, uyakubonelela, akafune manga. Baqambela amanga amakhulu. Ayikho lento, there is no such thing as space. Angiyanga kude Genesis 1 verse, I believe verse 5 enkosi le devil. All right, asithi nje ngiqale ku verse 1. Genesis ngiyafunda. In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was over the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw that the light was good, and God separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And there was evening, and then was morning. That is the first day. And God said, "Let there be an expanse in the midst of the waters, and let it separate the waters from the waters." And God made the expanse, separated the waters, and they were in the expanse. Oh, okay. They were above the expanse, and it was so. And God called the expanse heaven, and there was evening, and there was morning. Now you get is really answer. There's no space. uNkulunkulu umhlaba wawungenaform ugcwele amanzi, yonke into ingamanzi. uNkulunkulu wathini? Wathatha amanzi, separated the water from the water. Amanzi amanye wathatha wamixa kuphi? Phezulu. That is the sky. That's why the sky is blue, because there's no space. This thing is a closed system. No one is escaping. Akuphumi umuntu la. Kunabhara ezobaleka. Kuvaliwe. There's no space. The firmament phezulu is called the firmament. It's about 100 kilometers from la. Ukuya phezulu le. About 100 kilometers. Yes, it's about 100 kilometers. There's no space. Space doesn't exist. You can do it to a space. Uyaphi space? How do you escape lamanzi? Alright, mangaba ngikholwa ngamanzi esikhuluma ngendaba yozamcolo. Imvula yanetha 40 days and 40 nights. Awubuya phela amanzi la because it was raining non-stop. Because sitshela ukuthi imvula kuze inethe kumele wenzeni? Kube nomswakamo, evaporation. So that the water accumulates as what as clouds. No, there was no time for clouds ngoba nasebusuku lalinetha. So by day 3, day 4, those clouds bekumele ngaba saphelile. So there's no space. Elon Musk is not there's no space bafethu. Like there's no space. There's no space. Sesiqedile le. Ayikho nje kuthiwa into space. Okay, ufuna ukuthini lo muntu lo? All right. Even pilots most pilots do not know there's no such thing as space. Why am I saying so? Simply because planes izindiza, they fly about 30 to 42,000 feet. Ungathi ukuzo labo 40,000 engibabalayo. No. 30,000 feet is just 9 kilometers. It's just 9 kilometers. 42 is just 13 kilometers high from ukusuka lapha. There's no space bafethu. Into kuthiwa space does not exist. Get it out of your mind. Ayikho. It's deception. That's why I said today I'm giving you your working papers. You'll know exactly what's going on as I keep on going.
Namhlanje how uzothi ipetrol izokwehla.
Petrol will be $9 because petrol is like salt. Into edala uNkulunkulu ngeke uziqede khohlwa never. Basiqambela mangibathi hey izophela. No. For instance, let's talk about the Strait of Hormuz where they claim Iran ivalile. Angithi there's no ships taking the crude out. There's no ships coming in. Angithi. All right. That strait only handles about 20% of the global crude oil. Only 20%. Osho ukuthi mangabe we were shorting 20% of the crude, then the petrol kwakumele na ikhuphuke ngo 20%. And to prove that there's no reason for ukuthi petrol even izikhuphuke even nangalo 20%. Before they went with war with Iran, before Iran closed that Strait of Hormuz, kwenzakaleni, they went and took what? Overthrew government yakuphi yase Venezuela, which we know has the world's most the biggest reserves of crude, the oil le. Although it is heavy crude, not light crude, but nevertheless it is the biggest. So meaning we were supposed to substitute le loss esinayo ngapha ngani with Venezuela. Simple. But because they are making money, they have to create the drama ukuthi there's a no we have no they plan it before time. Wena njengoba ubhadala 30 rand thina sibhadala 30 malini 35 rand 34 rand something a liter of diesel. It's money for them, and it's painful to think with just a month or two ago I was paying 16 rand per liter at depot. Yeah, I feel depot was $16. So now it's what I can say it's what 2 times. Yeah. It's not 20%. It's 2 times. 2 times is 100%. Yes. All right. Elon Musk akuna billionaire. Ikho lento leyo. Sengiprovele. Why Elon Musk is worth so much? Elon Musk kumele ukhumbule he was born in South Africa, raised by apartheid government. Even if you go check the history, apartheid government is ranked with Germany in terms of education. Yeah, it was up there. Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, ubani lo munye umngane wabo ngiyamkhohlwa, these three guys, they are called the PayPal mafia. PayPal, if you remember PayPal, they're called the PayPal mafia.
Transactions.
Yes, they created the PayPal, ne? Yes, those guys. So they are called the PayPal mafia because they were given the proper education. So it was easy for them to detect, oh man, no man, oh, there's no such thing as space. There's no such thing as space. But you know what? Let us go and blackmail the government of US. If you don't put us in this system, we'll make sure people know. But, oh, okay, all right. So in other words, I'm saying the 1960, is it 69 or 60 what moon landing? It was fake. It's fake, that thing we all know. There's no space. There's no space. To prove which is face, there's no space and the landing among the devil, normal agents wakhe basebenzisa lento esibiza ngo double lie among our two. Yeah. Lamanga waqambe ube namanga oqala uma ngabe ba debunka lamanga oqala la wes2 there's a big chance ukuthi azobavimba. For instance, naku manje bebahambisa bahamba ngani Artemis 2, the Artemis 2 mission. Artemis 2 mission, yeah, Artemis 2 mission. One, space does not exist, it's a lie.
Ubani nje loqala wayekhona uMark?
No, Armstrong.
Yeah.
Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, I forget this other guy. Those guys.
There's a guy with the white.
That's a South African guy.
Mark
Mark
Shuttleworth.
Shuttleworth.
Oh, he's South African.
Yeah, that's a South African guy.
South African multi-million billionaire.
On paper, man, ube wayibona leyo billion. Akanayo. Which bank holds that money? Because we all know ukuthi le economy abasitshela ngayo, the banks only hold 10% of the money. Ayo ukuthi banks only have 10% of the money they claim the economy is. Mawufika nje wena uthi I'm going to invest 100,000. They're going to keep 10,000. That's why they always at all cost making sure there's no bank run. Because once people say yazi we are withdrawing imali yethu, there's no, we don't no longer trust this system. Bazoyithatha phi? They don't have that money. Yes, ngiyabonga kani. All right, sibuye ngendaba Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, those guys were the are you aware ukuthi Alcatraz only has one instance of escapees of people escaping. Alcatraz is the equivalent of Robben Island here in America, ne? Yeah, it is dangerous. It is surrounded by sharks. Never in the history has ever been an escapee abantu abazo escape, but kwenzeka kayi-1 kwa escape 3 people. It's a coincidence ukuthi the same 3 people mase sibacheka. Hoy man. Amagama ahlukile but yibo labo kuthiwa bahamba baye space. Neil Armstrong no Buzz Aldrin. Into ekwakuthi yazini sizonidedela ne, but sifuna nyo faker, sifuna nyo actor. That's why even namagama abakuphi they are found kuphi ku Hollywood Boulevard. La khona where always kunama stars. Yes, that's where ama stars, ama actors and everything abakwa khona nabo because they were actors. They have namagama wabo nawo lapha. Yes. Ba actile bathi actile yo. Nethi ngikhohle ukuveza ama alien yazi. Yeah, yabo? Yes, because now ama aliens do not exist. All right. Nayi ke. So they blackmail the government.
I want to from alien kanjani manje?
Ama aliens do not exist in fact. There's no such thing as aliens. Aliens? No, there is no such thing as aliens. Akupha hlala. Because njengoba ngikutshela, there's no space even to start with. The reason why the sky is blue, that's water. Amanzi lawana.
What if I call Marashana on Earth? Just that. But I'm not injured, humans do not cover.
No, there's no aliens. Those are demons. It's demons. There's no aliens. It's just that they bring a soft word because you've been what's the word? Desensitized by Hollywood. Kuti the aliens are coming. Yabona? Yeah, because mabazothi phela alien just means foreign. Yes, that's what it means. So indlela ukuthi ungathuki kakhulu ujump kakhulu ukuthi should the holy book was right mos. Yabona? Yeah, all right. I've done the Elon Musk thing, and that's the same way Russia, the Soviet Union got to be a nuclear power. Even nuclear weapons do not exist. To prove to you, if nuclear weapons exist, one, Asqalela, which is the country that got nuked? Yip.
I thought destroy.
A destroyer? No, America claims good now it has about 5,000 nuclear weapons. We're not sure what it means, complete or warheads, but it claims we have 5,000 now. Yabon? All right. United States bombed Japan during the Second World War, ne? Yeah. And then what do we know about nuclear nuclear characteristics wakhona? Don't we know ukuthi the radiation has a half-life. Half-life, depending on which stage of a nuclear you're talking about, you'll find uranium has about, maybe let's say, close to 120,000 half-a-life. Makpela leyo 120,000 is weak, but still leyo half-a-life is left about 120,000 years. Japan was bombed in 1945, 45.
Can I ask? Is there a difference between a nuclear bomb and an atomic bomb?
Big difference.
I think Japan bayishanga atomic.
Bayishanga atomic bomb.
Yeah.
Bayishanga atomic.
Yeah, well, atomic.
Okay. If Japan bayishanga atomic, ne? Why is it so that they always claim kuti we nuked Japan?
Yes, I mean, Americans always been Americans.
Because they do not exist. And the good thing about something that doesn't exist is that you can never use it. You can just say... that will also learn good language. Masengfika good language. All right. Okay, Elon Musk, so Russia became a nuclear power because then blackmailed America to say we are also a nuclear power. Kim Jong-un, Mambona, with that big missile. No, that thing is just hollow. There's nothing there. Because where he gets the money to build those things. The nuclear weapons do not exist by fate. That's why Chairman Mao said, called America and its Western allies paper tigers. Paper tigers, yabo kuthi yephepha yona lapha. Ungakunaki lo kodwa i-tiger leyana. But masondela duze uthi hawu tiger lokho awungidla uyi-herbivore yini ungasangilumi kanti. No, i-paper tiger it's a facade. Mawungenza umuntu akholwe awunasidingo sokumenza ukuthi asebenzele ekukholweni kwakhe ngoba uyakholwa. Uthi Farrakhan, if you can make a man feel inferior, you don't have to force him to seek an inferior status, for he will seek it himself. And if you can make a man feel just an outcast, you don't have to order him to go through the back door, for we go without being told. And should there be no back door, his very own nature will demand one. Why? He believes. Yeah. So, all right. Sengidlulile Elon Musk billionaire makenzeni. No, ayikho lento le. Yeah. All right. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngelanguage bafethu, ne? Language. Yeah. Ngizoqala ngelanguage. Siqale nje ngezinto ezilula. Akuze lelo language ungazathi uyangena la ekhanda asimbhale nje la ngoba ama topic wethu awu2 ngeke ngibhale kakhulu ya
no bhala bafunga ungabi nankinga phela kwazi ukusuka neboard ekudinanga awusabhali futhi kumele ubhale endlela othanda
language
fun night school
night school language there's a lot of things, ne? There's a lot of things. But under language, ngifuna sinake ini what we call etymology, ne? Etymology, I don't want us to talk about grammar. I don't want us to talk about a lot of things. I just
wakuthi spoilerishayo la. Hey, t-shirt.
Hey.
No.
Sastroy autocorrect bafethu.
Hey, sina auto hey.
Yeah, it's called brotherhood for a reason, eh?
Very but one msebenzi
Sengasasithingwa na.
abantu yayiyo leyo abantu abaningi besebenzisa ukuthi uzokhuluma language so akusenandaba
Yeah, spelling is spelling. Sesimoshe autocorrect but
hayi right asinandaba nespelling ma practice lonke sichaza kahle kuzwakala awonje etymology wakho ushayeka.
Yeah. Language. Language. Ayinto etheni language. Ayinto etheni.
Yini manje?
Pointing stick. Angithi sometimes ufuna uhluza uyishaya lento umba uthi ngatsolela ushaye la azovuka.
Weba phathi ngibonene. I think
The front is a magnet actually.
Oh.
Yeah.
Into mechanic.
Yes, I just picked it.
Ngathi Ariel yemoto.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
No, that thing is it could be non-ferrous.
Hayi qhubeka bafethu.
Non-ferrous, yeah. Okay, yes, etymology, language. They always hide it in language. When you did English, Isuthu, Spade, Xhosa, not language, not etymology. They make sure they take etymology out of your what? Your syllabus, curriculum, or whatever that thing you call. Yes, it's fine. Language. Usathane uyayazi language. But okay. For instance, asiqale ngamagama kaNkulunkulu, ne? Magama kaNkulunkulu. We know him is Rafa, Shalom, Shama, Jireh. You ngithola. Usathane simazi ukuthi is the devil, the serpent, the deceiver. Yabona amagama lawo. So because Satan siyamazi ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi nje mangavela la sonke singave sithi ayi kahle ndoda ayi kahle awujika ume kancane. So he has to hide behind things. Yayizwa lento le etymology. Etymology is the study or the understanding of ukuthi the original cause and reason of the usage or how that name was derived. Yabona? Yeah, like actually not in meaning, actually how it was derived. They make sure that you keep on ukuba ne meaning, not the how is it derived. For instance, what is electricity? They will tell you the meaning. No, what is electricity? Tell me the etymology. How was it derived? How did we come to electricity? All right. Ngizokhuluma nge-etymology ne under language. Under language sine uNkulunkulu simbiza ngo L. One of the old names kaNkulunkulu is EL.
Yana ipendana.
Yeah, different color.
Oh shiyo.
uNkulunkulu manje.
Shintsha ikhaya.
Yeah, etymology. uNkulunkulu simazi ngobani? Angithi ngithi nje.
uNkulunkulu bhala ngore.
Yeah, hey, sesikhuluma ngabe the real one manje. So right masoda sihleka. Hey, sesithinta ezinye. Sihamba sinye isipitse nombolo. Yeah, uNkulunkulu lo L means God in the old language. Languages, your Hebrew, your Greek, Latin means L. L means uNkulunkulu. That's why we call him El Shaddai.
Oh.
That's why so it's L apostrophe Shaddai. Yabona, that's why we call him Elohim. That's why we call him Emmanuel. L is at the end with God is with us. Yayizwa into le. Now we know ukuthi uSatan is always wanting indlela nayazo approveka ngayo. Loyo ayikho indaba yakhe loyo. It's just that he is wise. That's why he is rated a billionaire, but he hasn't done anything to qualify him as a billionaire. There's no space. So where ikuphi lento akhuluma ngayo lathi uyayenza ayikho. It's just that he debunked the lies of the Americans and then he's using to his advantage. All right, we are not bitter or what Elon Musk. It's just that we are just debunking the truth to prove the people. This system is a facade. So when the God Almighty is done with it, they will be having their working paper. When it is done, usajabule when usathuswe ile ukuthi ifuel izoba i9 per liter, you will find ukuthi Soweto gas lamagasi Sotra will be owning maybe let's say even 20 or whatever farms la khona ukudla khona uzoqhamuka khona. You will learn ukuthi the Lord akadlali lo abantu bayeke lokudlala into eprocessed lapha nezenziwe ngama chemical preservatives, conservatives, flavorant, colorants, like what? So it looks like food, it tastes like food, must be food. No, it's poison, it's chemical. All right, sibuye sikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu. So uNkulunkulu is El Shaddai, Elohim, Emmanuel. Satan what? Oh, because now I want to topple in the kingdom system. Like uNkulunkulu, there will be a person, a head, owenze njani, appointed by uNkulunkulu, your David, your Solomon, your whatnot. I want to create my own system with in United States. What? All right. Yazi ngizokwenzani? Ngizothi umuntu ozoba president, he will be president because he will be elected. Yayizwa lento leyo, he won what? The elections. Umuntu and if you serve in my kingdom and system long enough, you'll become an elite. Yayizwa lento leyo. What do you want to? Okay. Bavuma. That's how things started, ne? All right. Okay, Satan. Usho kanjani what? All right. Kule system yami, there'll be what would be called what? A register. Le register. Mawufika endaweni you must register. This is etymology, by the way, not me English. Etymology. What is the meaning of register? To register means to give up or sign up. Ma uthi hey ngisathatha umntana wami ngimix esikolweni lapha na ngifuna ukuyomregister, meaning you are signing your kid over to le sikolo, not ukuthi uthi ufuna abamfundisi. No, you are signing. That's why abantwana bakhala njalo makumele baye esikolweni basaqala, because abantwana they realize spiritual ukuthi yo kwenzakalani manje. I'm telling you, that's why abantwana bakhala ukuthi ngazathi bashonelwa abazali. Yes.
Banakhale kuze kwebhlungu yes.
That's why ingane ikhala. All right, sibuye size ku government. What is government? What is the meaning of government? Government is what? The leadership structure of a country and what not. That's the meaning. Etymology is it's derived from govern. Govern means to control. Govern. Thina nje sisebenza ngeimoto wabozo noma mhlambe nje lezo zithanda ukuspina uzobathi yeso ndo itloka kamnandi kanjani, that thing eyenza le engine itloka po. It's called a governor. That thing is called a governor. To stop the engine from continuing to revolution all the way up to wherever. Yabon, and so that it kills itself. So it's called a governor. Govern means to control. Ment means mind. That's why. But pukawu loyana konje ubani loyana man Chris man loyana ubani usho usipho athi ya lo muntu bamthatha bamixa kuphi ku mental institution. Ment means mind. So the government is control, ment is mind. So they are controlling your mind. That's why izinto zingale ndlela ngakhona. They are just put there as what to keep you from moving away from this system. So it's a leash, government, to control your mind. All right. And then what is pharmacy? Pharmacy is in Greek it's called sorcery. Sorcery is ubuthakathi, witchcraft. So bakuthakatha ngani ngamakhambi. It's just that ngoba enziwe la khona kunezibane ezikhanya kahle uthi mfethu yazi service yalapha. No, ubuthakathi. That just changes shapes, environment, financial status, ubuthakathi. All right. Then we move to monument. Monument thina sikhule ekhaya, although mina ngikhulalanga ku environment where there's history of ancestral worship or whatever, but I know ukuthi monument ile yandle siyakhela abantu abadala. It's called monument. Monument means dead, simply means dead. Monument. It is monument means built in what's the word? In remembrance. Of so and so. So nale yandlu leyo ibiza ngomsamo. In other words, monument is an altar, i-altari. Which is one of the reasons why mangiza ngapha la ndleleni I was happy mangibona ukuthi ayikho le match and match yakhona ngoba ngithi hey so try izowenzani madoda ngasuka enza inkinga ngakhona uzoshare indaba zaNkulunkulu ngoba lento yabo umdlalo leyana it's the game of the system. Yabona? Monument. Awuthi nginichazele why one of the reasons why noma sengiphuma ku topic umhlaba ngeke niwuthole. Nonke namakhosi wenu. Nonke. Noma angikhathala there's not even a single party ezobuyisa umhlaba. uNkulunkulu kuphela uzobuyisa umhlaba. Awuthi ngikutshela ukuthi why umhlaba ngeke niwuthole. Umhlaba ngene uthole because wanikezwa uSathane. When the Boer and the British saw ukuthi okay now we own South Africa vele ngendlela okungakhona 1937 the Broederbond 1938 they decided to make what a monument, i-altar, umsamo for who? For uSathane. How do we know ukuthi uSathane abamenzela le altar? Simply because of what? Of the bengisese language saying jumpisela ngapha ku frequency and numerology. Okay, but nevertheless sihlale khona la. Umsamo lo abawukhanda babiza ngani nge4 tracker monument lo la ePitori, ne? It was built on a hill, ne? Yeah. Awuthi ngishaye ngapha blue lo so that it looks colorful. But the mind likes is nje ngathi so that it keep attention. Ngibhalela wena lapha ekhaya.
Uthabo ubone kahle.
Yeah, monument umsamo in altare. They built an altar like this. I will try ukuthi so that you understand. It is more or less like this. Ne? More or less like this. So you get the idea ukuthi okay, it is square. Ne? Yeah. Let's just say it is square like this. Uyithi roof nyana yakhona engathi sinaksinyana, but skip that. Inomnyango la. Omunye is on that side, and then about here mangaphosisi. Here it is ama vents. Ane parting yani of the trapezoid, the what you call this thing what you call pentagon. and what not? Yabon? Da. Maybe let's make a different color so write it what not. Yabon? But what's so interesting and special about this monument is that it is 40
Emnyang.
meters.
Emnyang moya di 40 meters.
40 meters this way, 40 meters that way, 40 meters. It's a cube, just like the cube abayithandaza le kwa-Israel, nale abayithandaza le kuphi, what you call this thing, le amaSulumane, that black cube. It is a cube like that. It's called a monument, so that ungazonaka wena ukuthi is a keeper. Now, this monument, yeah, it is 40 meters up, 40 meters side to side, 40 meters back and forth. 40 meters. What do we know about 40? 40 under numerology we break it down to what? To 4 and 0. Usathane sengithinta ezinye manje. Ngihamba ngesinye speed senombolo uthi yo. And by the way, ebusuku as I was visited by Aleister Crowley. Aleister Crowley. You don't know Aleister Crowley? He's this master magician, the one who taught all these rappers how to rhyme so that it casts spells literally. He's an American guy. He's a big mason, that one. I look up his it's because I'm here to give people their papers. All right, let us not get bogged down. Yeah, I'm actually to give, because once people understand what exactly what I'm doing, they will know. Angeke kube ne politician even eyi1, they will just say like yasidakelwa wena usiyeke upolitiki yani kwenzani. Yabona? All right, this monument is 40 meters. What do we know about 40? 40 is 4 and 0. 0 is just isigcizelelo, emphasis under what numerology. Mhlambe ke angeke ungunderstand ngoba wenza mathematics, wenza math literacy, which is just numeracy. Sikhuluma ngenumerology manje. What do the numbers mean spiritually? Enye numerology ngikubekisele mangaba ungunderstand kwenzela example. Mina mangavula ispaza manje into zami zizoba o5 rand, 10 rand, 20 rand, 50 rand, 100 whatever, yabona iprice yakhona. But numerology ile ukuthi ke why settle for that price? Because uma ngabe lento yakho uzoyibiza ngo15 rand, just say 15.99. Bantu won't question the 99 because 99 means perfection. A number yokuthi is perfection kuphelele manje akekho umuntu ozobuza ini. Take it or leave it. You don't have to negotiate. You bona kuphi all the big brands, ama-shop lawa, they use 15.99, 20.99 instead of just saying 21 rand. No, it's called numerology. You have to study the numbers. It's not a coincidence. All right. Why ngithi umsamo nabafundisi benu nabo bonke ngeke nithathe umhlaba? Simply because umhlaba wa dedicate latho uSathane, altari leli abadibana khona nani no Sathane njalo nini nge16 December uvumelekile ukuyohlola listing every day of the year except nge16 December la khona youth and everybody badakiwe badakwe yini alcohol is an Arabic word derived from alk, A-L-K and H-U-L. Alcohol means body eating spirit. That's why utshwala bizwa ngama spirit at some point, depending on how strong it is. It's body eating spirit. So in other words, bona nge16 mabaya laphana wena udakiwe ngapha usuku celebrate ukuthi umhlaba usebenze njani uhambile. It's slickness. I'm telling you, it's slickness. Labantu ngeke bakuqonde straight so but no sizokwenzani. That's why America was so eager was so determined, and not just determined, they did it to bash South Africa's name, to say, hey, they are killing the whites, they are taking the farms and whatnot, so that the world can look and say, oh, can't South Africa bangcole kanje? Before the truth comes out. Nevertheless, ENCA, but at some point, your CBS, NBC, your whatever, Washington Post, they've already published. So vele sekunjani. Ngeke uthathe umhlaba because nge16, what do we know about i16? 16 December is the day whereby we celebrate astrology. It's when the star les esibusa umhlaba is over South Africa. 16. That's why even this thing is open, is closed nge16 all the way to night. In night they always here to celebrate ukuthi umhlaba wenze njani usigcinele wona bani wena L means uNkulunkulu, but muphi it doesn't describe. So wena L bani Sathane. All right, the monument le. What do we also know about this monument? This monument is built on top of a hill. we know ukuthi this monument kuze ukhuphuke kule hill uyofinyelela phezulu kule ndawo la khona le monument is built, it has 365 steps. Okay, it's a coincidence. Yes, it's also another coincidence ukuthi the steps happen to be 365, meaning every day of the year, Lord, wakho lo mhlaba. Yezona nto le. That's why ngeke uthathe umhlaba. Mase nifuna ukuthatha ngizobuya kuNkulunkulu because God only uNkulunkulu defeated uSatan. Amakhosi noma ngiphi ngakhuluma ikhathali ithini. It's just indlela yokuthi nje ifuna ipublicity so that bazonika ifunding ngoba abamaphepha bazofika.
Asingayidiliza lento. Ayasuthatha.
Because it's in the constitution. It is protected.
Forget constitution. Masingayidiliza nje.
Masingayidiliza ya. I believe masingayidiliza, just that ubani ozoyidiliza ngoba lento is built of granite.
Awusayidiliza. Uthi lamabhomu labashanga ngawo lapha namazama ngeke iyenze le.
Yeah, ingakwenza but hey, ila uzobona khona ukuthi kanti we do have detectives and what not in South Africa, but there's bahluleka ukulocate umuntu obulela umuntu la iSoweto basho ukuthi ubani abantu, but they can locate this one uzophethe le bomb le. That's how strong intelligence of this thing is. All right, bengekho lapho lenje bengingithi halamusi noma ngathi march on March noma ngathi march on April khohlwani ngeke nuthole lo mhlaba, noma ngathi September on August ngeke uthole, never. Hayi ngoba ngithi angifuni, ngiyafisa, but that's why United States is so willing to defend, and that's why Constitution section 25 says what
in 1925.
No, it's section 25 of inang ithini ayingadingidwe indaba yomhlaba, ofuna umhlaba akawuthenge, isho njalo. Constitution phela, by the way. Yeah. So that's why I also know ukuthi uMbeki had to be president, because bathe mabambuza ukuthi why during your tenure as president awuthathanga umhlaba whereas you had the majority, but no, it was never the agenda of the ANC. Kusho yena Mbeki lo. Asikho kuthi. All right, sibuye ku language sesihamba ngayo kanjalo. Sibuye size ku. So now we know ukuthi government is the control of the mind. Now we know pharmacy is what is sorcery. So we know ukuthi okay, shoot in other words kahle Department of Health is what? Department of Hell. Kusho ukuthi iloko ngoba ayikho indaba yenzayo. Nalo itshe ukuthi udokotela akayazi into ayenzayo. Ayikho into ayenzayo. Wazi ini? Kuze and uzuprove ukuthi awazi next, ngikubona uprove ngani. Once you graduate you stopped studying. Why? It is done on purpose. Why? Simply because uthe maqeda ugraduate abaqhokisa lenzilo yakho, that black robe. Inzilo leyo, there's nothing, it means siyakuvala umqondo. Waqhona lesigqoko esimnyama baqeda bakunika i-death certificate yakho wajabula ukuthi I'm a professional. Yeah, you see next.
Degree ngaba i-death
certificate prior yami yenzani savuka sezwa ngoba it's liberty. Liberty is not freedom.
Kodwa why bonke labantu abafunde kakhulu behambe beyosebenza ndoda
if it was because bakufundisela ukuthini
umuntu ofundile James ufundile wakho kodwa but unesikhathi ureporter to someone yabuka
and that person you reporting to reports to another somebody, but the last person to report to
akafundile
is a Jew. Ijuda. The biggest doctor Mzansi olapha bo Ramaphosa and whoever is a Jew, and the biggest person olawula imali is a Jew. That person olawula imali gets to report directly to the Rothschilds. That's why Mawatu Zuma, the banks are colluding against the rand. The puppets under the so-called BE nonsense. Abo which you ngibanga nje lo shone manje lo. Titombo wen. Yeah. They will rush to the middle to say no, the banks are not colluding. But then again, did not that happen? Come out. It came out. So this thing is a scam, a sham, and the hoax. It's false. It's false. It's a farce. It's a lie. Amanga wonke lento le. It's just that kunama level amanga. There's a lot of people by Jodi bafundile kanti abazi next. Fana no dokotela. I will prove to you why I'm saying no dokotela abayazi lento abayishoyo. I will prove to you soon. Mase ngifika ngapha ku frequency. I will prove to you. You will understand. Stay tuned. We are not going on a break. We're continuing. Yeah, Nyland. And then ngikhulumile ukuthi since now we've covered most of language and to register, just like my register, ufike esontweni, sorry, singithi esontweni, mawufike clinic, but no sign register. That's you giving up your rights. Because what is to register is to give up. It's not to say to account or to be, is to give up. So that lokho abazokwenza kuwe is what is legal in the spiritual realm. because bayakwazi ukuya kuNkulunkulu mafika athi uNkulunkulu why nenza lento nenza niphozani abantwana bami bathi no they signed but thina sifihlanga information is their thing. All right, now sisiyahamba siya kuphi ku frequency ne frequency what is frequency? Angifuni ukuyichaza i-meaning, ngifuna uku-explainela uzuzizwe kahle ukuthi what am I on about nge-frequency. Umhlaba esiphila kuwo is 5-dimensional. It's length, breadth, height and width, and then time and what? Frequency. Everything has frequency. Everything. Noma yini ucabanga has frequency. Everything is run under or lives or operates under what? Time. So although this is what is visible, these two matter the most. All right. Frequency. Frequency isikhulume frequency angithathe ngithini, let us say sithatha amanzi water. Let's just make 3 buckets of water. Akungenza so yeah kwazenzeka kahle
wenzani manje? Oh no bhala ikhala makhala akho awufuni bafuka mix
asithi
ngathi awufuni ukwesho ukubhala ngekhala eyodwa.
Nah, it must be colorful because abanye abantu they okay, asithi amanzi lawa ne amanzi lawa ama cups lawa, these are cups. Roughly nje asithi amakomishi lawa, inkomishi cups, inkomishi etiye, yes,
inkomishi etiye
ne ama okay ngiyabonga. Oh, 007. Oh, okay.
yini uthi James u-007 uba
James Bond.
uyadelela isiqu.
No, it just shows good I'm happy to meet you guys. Because umuntu ohleza athulile ehleza yedwa. So and I'm not a person who just opens up like nje yabo. All right, it's fine. These are cups. Inkomishi lezi ne. Yeah, these are cups. Low rate lona asithini amanzi enze njani ashisayo ne. Lawa yini room temperature. Yeah. Lawa afrizile. Asithi lawa afrizile lawa. Yabona? Yeah. Lawa ashisayo ashisa lokuthi ayabila ayaboil. Meaning kuphumani i-steam. Yeah. Kodwa zonke lezi zinto yini amanzi ne. Uma ngabe zonke izinto zingamanzi then why ungathathi lawa afrizile yogeza ngayo imoto or yogeza ngawo besides ukuthi ayabanda why no awasenzi inhloso yani yalamanzi ngijwayele ukwasebenzisa yabona. Afrizile angamanzi liquid, so this is solid gas. Oh, solid liquid gas. Yeah, solid liquid gas. Yeah. That into yenza ukuthi lamanzi lawa freeze, lawa aba liquid, lawa afuthumala. It's not ukushisa, it's not heat, it's frequency. What do I mean by frequency? Ukuthi is frequency, is not heat. It's frequency because lamanzi lawa mangathatha ngafaka ku freezer angihambanga ngolanda into ehuva ngamuncu ukushisa. No, I just introduce a frequency, low frequency, because frequency is actually vibration. The thing means it vibrates. So mangithatha to prove ukuthi lento engishoyo ukuthi this is frequency, asenze another experiment. Sithathe ini ublack lona ngisebenzisele for freeze. Naku usuye ku freezer. Wathola ini asithi ngamabunje ngenze so.
Uyinda
Ama ice cube la. Oh. Yeah, so roughly nje. Don't worry about the perfection, it's a sketch. Yeah. Ama ice cube lawa. Mawuthatha ama ice cube wakhipha O2 uwenze wafaka same day lapha ne fridge lamanzi wawakhipha sama ice cube same time. Uma ngabe ukuthi I temperature ezoncibilikisa lama ice cube, then why mawuthatha eyodwa ubuthela phezulu kwayo ini usawoti salt izoncibilika faster than le engapha. Ngabe utswayile yashisa? Usawoti, is it hot? Like yashisa yashisa? No, it's cold, it's room temperature. Why? It's frequency. I can also go on further about the frequency. Ngikubikiseke ku position la yakho uzocabanga kahle. I want you to think because it's not yet illegal, ne? Yeah, come on.
Akusama elements like yabona water is H2O,
Okay, yimaki.
salt is sodium chloride. Mhlambe
Yabona uGanda is just touch topic engizoyithinta soon engizoyithinta soon because ukhulume ngani elements
buka lento ikhona.
yeah
Okay, man, seriously. Ufuna kumbuza umuntu iphethe yonke lento la.
all right
Ah.
now
Uyakabona?
besikhuluma ngani frequency uthatha ama ice cube wakhipha same time elinye ithela uswayi elinye uliyekele lele linoswayi lizoncibilika fast. Why is frequency all right then there's also a study and it's also I remember even those guys who were grand tour when they went to Namibia. I believe it's Namibia. They also made a joke ukuthi Namibia I believe inabantu abalingana nabase-Swaziland. It's around 2 million 3 million ish.
Abaningi.
Mababaningi because value in Namibia is what ugwadule mostly ne, but it's ranked the highest one of the highest in terms of deaths per capita kuma accidents. Yeah, it's ranked there. I want to make a study. We just keep that in mind. Namibia, Botswana, and a big chunk of Mozambique, Zimbabwe, even South Africa. Ne, we are there. Good list yama country and yama accidents. Yeah, is what I'm high. Don't think it's race or anything. Lalela ukuthi why ngikhuluma it's frequency. All right. So now, Europe, the European countries, I'm talking about your Scandinavian countries, Scandinavian countries, your Sweden, Finland, your countries lawa nani anesithwathwa. Yeah, and ahlushwa yini umkhithiko snow most of the time. Those countries, ne, even Canada. Ne,
Canada.
Those countries are not there in terms of deaths per capita, and they are not high. Why? Simply because the government has a program called what? Salination. They put salt kuphi emgaqweni.
How?
Yes, kwenzani ukuncibilikisa isithwathwa. That's why mawubeka uswayi kuphi ku ice cube kwenzani incibileka fast than le enganayo. So they have that, and that's why imoto zabo zingalasti. Because of what rust. So that's why they mabafuna ama vintage, they tend to go to about Middle East where you Africa lama country hot lawa imoto zakhona imoto ingaba no 50 years still like a rust because ayizange yahlala go Cape Town not be high inland, you get what I'm saying. But as a byproduct they tend to have less accidents. Why? Simply because what we know about frequency, aliens and demons and imimoya iy'poko azihlali la kunoswayi. That's why makunento ekuhluphayo phuma ngaphandle wenzeni uhasha uswayi. Yini leyo? Is it because iflavor wathanda iflavor yoswayi amadimoni? Mhlawumbe ongathela iperiperi ngathi ish aziyakhipha ndoda. No, it's frequency. All right, ngisaqhubeka ngefrequency. Ngifuna uyi-understand.
For you cooking.
Ngifuna
Uyabona manje mina ngizokutshela mina you are cooking. Since uleli bottle sulifaka inyawo. Izinto ezishintshile.
yes, but lama countries lawa kushisa khona, and even noma abantu bawu-few ingozi. Thina eMzansi mfethu ithi lane ivulile so i-highway ku-3 lane. Kungenamuntu lihamba lo depot libone nje lenza imkhuba laphana. Why? Imimoya. Yabona. All right, I think to prove to you ukuthi what am I on about, asihambe siye ku live le Bible lami.
Ufuna nanti.
Yes, nali Bible lami. I believe asihambe ku Matthew, one of the Gospels, Matthew. So Roma lona sengihamba ku so Matthew 4 verse 11, I believe. Matthew 4 verse 11. Yeah, Matthew 4 verse 1 to 11.
Lokanda kufundela.
What version is that? PSP.
Ukanda ba.
Hey, ngisho ngithi which one is this one manje? Kusela ncane ukuthi we throwback Thursday. PSP. Okay. Okay. Awunanga uGanda uyasifundela bafethu. Mangifundele uMatthew 4 verse asithi verse 3 to 11. Yeah.
3 to 11.
Yeah.
The tempter came to him and said, and then we got another one.
Okay, it's fine.
the temptation of Jesus.
Yes.
Then Jesus was led by the Spirit into the wilderness to be tempted by the devil.
Mm-hmm.
After fasting 40 days and 40 nights, he was hungry.
Mm-hmm.
The tempter came to him and said,
Mm-hmm.
If you are the Son of God, tell these stones to become bread.
Yes.
But Jesus answered, It is written,
Yes.
Man shall not live on bread alone,
Yes.
but on every word that comes from the mouth of God.
Mm-hmm.
Then the devil took him to the holy seat and set him on the pinnacle of the temple. If you are the Son of God, he said, throw yourself down, for it is written, he will command his angels concerning you, and they will lift you up in their hands so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. Jesus replied, it is also written, do not put the Lord your God to the test. Again, the devil took him to a very high mountain and showed him all the kingdoms of the world and their glory. All this I will give you, he said, if you will fall down and worship me. Away from me, Satan, Jesus declared. For it is written, worship the Lord your God and serve him only. Then the devil left him, and angels came and ministered to him.
Okay. Yeah. Ngithola irevelation lana ezasafunda umfowethu laphana. So lana uJesu ufastile bafethu. Sekusondela insuku zokuthi ke manje aye kuphi? Esiphambanweni. Yes. So lana mawulfunda the right translation or the original translation or some of the other translation they make it clear ukuthi where is the wilderness. The wilderness is what? Desert. Yes. Jesus was led to what? The desert. It's not just wilderness ukuthi hayi lapha nesigangeni ngapha ngisho ngomemva kwale extension abaqeda ukuyakha. Hayi. In the desert oGwadule. We know ukuthi Gwadule is a low frequency area. It's a low frequency area. What do I mean? That because sengikhulumile nge-frequency. Ukuthi when you introduce frequency, what? Imoya ayihlali lapho, frequency. How do we know this? That's why the Bible also says what? Indaba yani yengulube. Ingulube ayidliwa bafethu, like logo is another thing of which you must get in your head. Ingulube ayidliwa. Pork into kungamele sidle. Why is it so? To understand that hamba uyabona mina angifuni ukuspoon feeder ebese maso wedwa lento engisho ungayizwa. Go and research about the slaughterhouse of ingulube la khona islagpan la kunqunywa khona ingulube. Then you tell me ukuthi yini le bayinqoma la ngaphakathi. You will understand. Okay, ngibuya kuverse abanye bathanda ukukhotha iverse bathi uJesu ingulube zazi namademoni wayikhipha wazimixa kuphi zahamba zangena kuphi olwandle zafa. uJesu wenzani wakhipha amademoni anjani wona before aphuma athini okay isivumele singene kuphi okusho ukuthi uJesu wakhipha amademoni angena kuphi engulubeni ingulube enzani yangena elwandle yafa kwafa ingulube bafethu not uthando lwamademoni for ingulube. Let us get that through our heads. I hope isizwana yangizwa lapha ekhaya hamba ngomunye ushoni manje. Okay. Sengakapheli frequency you are going far. Hey, we're going far. All right. uJesu bamledela kuphi? How do we know ukuthi uGwadule is a low frequency area? It's something you will understand very soon. Futhi also mangiqhubeka ngihamba nalento understand ukuthi what is the frequency of birds. Inyoni yizo zitshela ama plants ukuthi okay benilele ebusuku vukani manje sekusile. Why? Frequency. It's frequency. The chirps, those sweet, they are very high frequency, those things. Ne? All right. Lena ngibengikhuluma ngayo lena le revelation uthi uJesu okay ithini la uthi uSathane makalinga uJesu uthini kuye uthi mangabe ungindodana kaNkulunkulu phendula lamatshe abe izinkwa udle uthini uJesu hey wena wazi ngoba kulotshiwe umuntu angeke aphile ngesinkwa kuphela. Uthini uSathane masuka lapho uSathane sekamthatha kuphi? Wamthatha wambeka kuphi? Esicongweni endaweni ephakeme yakhiwe phi nale monument yakho le lomsamo lo wabelungu wakhiwe kuphi esigodini? No, on a high hill wenziwe ku hill. That's why ama steps wawo kuyofika kiyo lapha ngakhi 365 the same as the days of the year. And mabona ukuthi hayi man uSathane engazathi ke manje mabona ukuthi kahlahle uJesu ngathi uyinkinga lithini he even took him to a what even a higher place khona lapha in the wilderness azomtshela ngendaba ukuthi okay uyabona izinto engingakunika zona because ngithi ziphule ubizingilo zawufuni. Alright uthi siye phezulu. So what happens when izimo uzihlasela zingavumi? You shintsha amagiya, you go even higher. Yeah? You go even higher. The same thing ama motivational speakers ayisho athi mangabe kukhula la kule level yamajuba neyikhova kuphukela kuphi level yani the Eagles ne so you always go higher to see ukuthi who's gonna crack first. So unfortunately Satan akawinanga. All right, I was on indaba yani sikhuluma ngendaba yani why is it low? Ngizokuexplain. Okay, uGanda ngicela ungibambele ukuthi why ungibambele question, why is a desert a low frequency? Why? Okay, that's also another reason, but why? Ngicela ungibambele question leyo. Uyibambe, uyigcine. Noma ngithi ngenzani ungibuze leyo question leyo. It's right. Yes. Okay, sisikhuluma ngani nge low frequency era, ama evidence ukuthi those places la khona kune salination khona, imigwaqo yakhona bayuthela ngosawoti, ingozi zincane. Why is it so? Because crude is a low frequency in crude oil lo osinikeza ini what you call this LPG, upetrol, udizili, igrease, uoil, uzosinikeza even uthas, squintiera. There is low frequency. That's why one of the reasons why I'm saying abadokotela bayazi into abenza, because we know ukuthi tar is crude is a low frequency ngizothini material or whatever the correct term is for in terms of science or whatnot. Because if they knew, then there will be no crude product kuphi emaphilisini. There will be none. But they keep on putting it. Amapilisi, for instance, ama-disprin is light in a benzene. Yabona, the base is what is crude. It's derived from crude. So umuntu is not inhloso akusukulapha. Inhloso ukukhipha just low frequency. Low frequency. Ma low frequency, what do we know about low frequency? The spirit stays. Imimoya yenze njani? Iyahlala. Imimoya emibi njengamademoni and whatnot. What you are low frequency. Ubuthakathi ukhumbule ngithi pharmacy is what? Is witchcraft. Sorcery in Greek is derived from that. All right. I was touching indaba yani low frequency in terms of what? Salination. That's why umuntu aphethe ushukela mfowethu. Aphethe ushukela diabetes. The first thing abamtshela bathi akayeke ushukela nani? Noswayi. Uswayi ihlangana naphi noshukela? Asiqale lapho nje. Wakwazi ukuthi uhlangana naphi uswayi nokuthi no sweetness ihlangana naphi? Lihlangana naphi? Like wena dokotela wena uclever wena. Yeah, dokotela wena PhD 96. Yini what's the purpose of taking umuntu out of uswayi? Whereas we know uswayi is not sweet. Why? All right. Sibuye size endabeni yani yokudla. Food in terms of animals esazi ukuthi kulungekile ukuthi siwadle is mainly is the bovine your cow, sheep, goat yabona even inkukhu, because inkukhu umbila iwenza ini iwenza ifana nayo inkomo inani yes ayidli inkomo. For instance inkomo ayidli utshani for ukuthi yenzeni isuthe. No. Idlela ukufeda ini ibacteria lesi siswini, which is where we derive what? Protein and fats, because you can't derive fats from echanini. No, you can't. Chani is mostly like starch, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, lezo zinto lezo ilwane lezo. What do we know about zona? Lezo ilwane lezo zinjani? Zidla utshani. 1 2 and lezo inkomo lezo ilwane lezo zinjani they go nearly most of them. Imbuzi is what? Is it 6 months? Mitha ngakho imbuzi konje?
Yes, around 6.
Yeah, something like that. Yabona? Lezo ilwane lezo. Lezo ilwane lezo they are high frequency animals. Unlike pork. Why? Simply because of what? Ukudla ezikudlayo. Ingulube is low frequency because of nani nokudla ekudlayo. Ifana nani nenja. That's why we do not eat inja. Inja sidla because inja izazi ukuthi i-herbivore noma i-carnivore. Idla kwasani nje okuvelile bakulethe endlini. Nama snacks omntwana iyadla. Iyathatha, uyakhala umntwana ihamba ne-nicknacks. Ihamba nalo. Yezwa lento leyo. So inkomo idla utshani waya. Ayidli unless ke sengilezi ezinye. That's why because inkomo lezi
inkomo zogesi uthola ingane
yabona lezi ezinye lezi that because inkomo is a high frequency. That's why benzeni bafuna ukubulala ini inkomo bayiqede for i2030 agenda. That's why kune foot and mouth disease. The foot and mouth disease amatele. And at the same time benzani seba print steak manje nasi steak yini CNC machine or what that thing ibhizi print steak but if this one is better because it's boneless ngeke kuhlaba umlomo amathambo and stuff print steak nomhlolo bo umhlolo munlo. So it's a coincidence nalok. No, it's by design. The same reason why the companies afana no Syngenta. Syngenta is made up of joint venture between AstraZeneca and Novitas. Novitas is it's a Swedish company. AstraZeneca yini konje? Ngathi it's Norwegian in mangaphosisi. Yes. One of their big assignments was to make sure that there are no birds. Baqeda inyoni. That's why emasimini wabelungu azikho inyoni. No, azikho inyoni. Emasimini wabelungu. Yabona nje makulinyiwe makhabo unokubona inyoni no hayi emasimini wabelungu.
Sifaka ama plastic okuxosha inyoni.
Wake wabona wena insimini enkulu nje udlula. Uthola insimi u50, 100, 200 hectares. Akunazi inyoni next. Akunazi inyoni next. That's one of the why inyoni they are what? High frequency animals. High frequency. Magna high frequency, it means lento enjani, it is holy. Because imoya enjani emibenze enjani ayihlali. You get what I'm saying? So ukudla umbila high frequency because of ilanga nani nezinyoni awufani nombila which is modified. Ama-seeds wakhona kokuqala adevelopa iMonsanto.
Yeah.
iMonsanto and Monsanto ama-seeds wakhona yabona lamabhuna ayitshela ukuthi ayafama lawo.
Our
farming and
ubona mina ngibona emakhaya umbila wakhona mase uba right for 1 week somile.
And to prove ukuthi
batshalela ukuthi nje kuvune bebe udayisa.
And they also because khumbule the monument they are told what to plant. They batshela ukuthi mabathatha funding. Baba tshela ukuthi no lalela this year you gave us so much tonnage or for this grain. Next year we want this. They are being told. Why? In exchange for what? Because we are the ones going to protect you. We are the ones who go see Egupi to the Pentagon. With no guys, ngazathi sizoluza le land South Africa. And these seats wabulawa. They do not what's the word? Regenerate. No. You plant once, next year you go and buy. You plant once, next day you go and buy. And now there's also a feature. Yona le abayenzile ukuthi they make sure ukuthi they kill anything within the 60 kilometer radius of where that seed is planted. Uma ngabe nje umuntu ungatshalile la wena utshalo wakho lo washiyela umkhulu imbewu washiyela umkhulu wakho leyana Nkosi yami izofa. It's by agenda. Into enziwe leyo. Yayizwa into le because le yakho is what is high frequency and izophinda izale. So uma iphinda izale isibe uthini encupheni phela manje sizokwenza njani manje? Lekho iphinda yaqhubeke yayibona. So it's low frequency. Well, they want you to eat low frequency food. It's by design. Pork is cheaper than lamb and beef. It's by design. It's not coincidence. They also killing the birds. It's by design. Why? They want to keep you low frequency. Ngizokuchazela ukuthi exactly ukuthi low frequency yabo lena bahambe bazibafika kuphi nayo. Because we know ukuthi i-DNA yethu starts to heal at around 500 hertz. Frequency is measured in what? Hertz. Okay, before you
ubuza something. Manje ukukhuluma ngeenyoni kanje high frequency inyoni yazi ngiyacabanga la is that why abelungu they keep birds as pets endlini zabo?
That's also one of the reasons. Yes, that's one of the reasons, especially ama-parrots and whatnot. Yes, and if you check, ayikho inyoni enebhesi phela, enebhesi hayi leyo thakatha njengale amankankane. Hayi leyo vele ngeke uyikhiphe as a pet that one. Konje inkankane yini ngesingisi? But yalibona inkankane?
Angilazi.
No, kunale nyoni man, it's black. Imnyama kokuqala izwe imnyama.
Crow.
No, it's not a crow. It's not a crow, but you are getting there. It's hadada. Yeah, it's a hadada. Le nyoni. Yeah, that one. Hey, le nyoni le meke yakhala ejardini kuthiwani khona ozoshona. Yes, it's a low frequency bird. You get what I'm saying? So
yabafo ngesiqedi namhlanje i-study. Ngeke.
Hayi ngeke sustain manje nje.
Phele ngisho i-hour manje.
Oh, ngeke it can't be.
Sesihamba ku1 hour 15.
Is it?
Hayi. Inangizana ufuna uphinde ubuye futhi uzoqedela.
Awuthi hayi iyaphela seyiphelile. Buka mangisuka la ngizoza ku salting ngimthintile. All right, sikhulume nge-World War II. World War II was by designed to what? To go and wenzeni? To change the frequency. And we know ukuthi frequency, one of the high frequency countries was Germany. Germany had bells. Germany, they didn't use this genetically modified seeds. Germany was also having what you call airships. You remember airships? Yes, airships. Yeah. We know one of the greatest scandals in Japan created America is what Hindenburg, I meant to say, and the last surviving airship is what the Zeppelin. So the problem with Zeppelin in airships was because Zeppelin they have no limits in terms of how high they can go. They go up until as a shaisi firmament. Genesis 1 verse 5. So to make sure we make sure that people don't forget there's something what you call firmament, because we want to create NASA, the space agency, because space does not exist. So we must destroy evidence such as there's no space. Yes. All right. So bells esontweni before 1942, 43, Second World War, churches bewayini ikolo, and churches they had what bells they vibrated around 430 hertz. We know even what they are like salt. Bell killing. Yeah, it's not for good iskhathi, but was no say iskhathi. No, it doesn't mean that. It's not just it doesn't that ngeke ukuthi wena uma ngabe uzowenza ibell yokuthi iskhathi wenza ibell ibe u5 ton. So heavy. They call them gongs. China, if I remember correct, China and Japan call them gongs. Ne? All right. Bells. So churches were stripped of that. Abantu baqala bagula. Why? They wanted to create the Department of Health. Not Department of Health, that one. Because we want to introduce what? Pharmacy, which is what? Sorcery, which is witchcraft. All right. Ngoba isithiwa sishaya isikhathi bafethu bese ngibuya kuleyo ukuthi ke lento ubuthakathi abupheli, it always changes forms. It just changes forms. It just when you have to keep attention so that you understand what's going on. I did electrical engineering, ne? Ngangibuza ukuthi up to how far, but I did it. Yabona? Okay. Yeah. Under electrical engineering, we must khuluma ngo-electricity, ne? All right. Sesidlulile kuma ice cubes namanzi, where we are the higher representation of frequency. We move to this side. Okay, because sengidlulile language, I think so sengibhalele frequency sekuphela. Yabona? Frequency. The unit of frequency is called hertz. HZ, the unit, but in full pela hertz, ne? Now, subtopic enguyo manje is what? Electricity. So it's electrical engineering. Frequency is measured using what? Hertz. Ne? Inyoni, frequency yazo, I forgot to mention. They chap at around. You remember bells? I say they are around 430 hertz. Ne? Mm-hmm. And we know at around 430 hertz, you start to relax. At around 520 hertz, your DNA starts healing. So those things, my churches were healing machines. There was no hospitals before kuba my churches. My churches hospital akhona bakhiphela langeni, bagqokisa ilineni, you had copper cup. Why? For frequency, it's high frequency compared to what you call this thing? Iron or steel, whatever the other material is. It's high frequency. Yeah, inkomishi benziwe ngecopper during that time. Before Rockefeller took over the world in a Standard Oil sack. And then after World War I, Rockefeller wathini? One of the problems bekadibana nawo ukuze Standard Oil sakhe sikhule. The company yakhe Standard Oil. Begini the lack of workers. So he said, no, what? I'm going to start what I call education. The whole purpose is what is create what? Workers. That the guy who started education as we know it. Before then, it was churches. Churches, they were teaching people how to grow food, how to stay healthy and whatnot. Because frequency is also how you stay holy. High frequency is holiness. Low frequency is what is it's like falling into sin. That's why makuthiwa uyabona umuntu mafike wakhuba. Uzutela umuntu like uthini ungiphula umoya yazi lo muntu uyazizwa nawe ngisho mangathamba othandaza uNkulunkulu same time uyazizwa ukuthi lento engikhuluma ayikho lana until kwenzeni umxolele. That's why Jesus emphasized so much kuphi ku forgiveness. Forgiveness is not yayizwa uthi Jesu forgive akathamba ask for what apology noma hamba utshela umuntu abuya azoxolisa no forgive. Because once you forgive, you are what? You are high frequency. Okay, electricity. For instance, let me just make to prove what is power? The power of electricity. Power of electricity is voltage times what? Amps. Ne? Let's just say okay, so something is 220. It's 220, 230, 240 volts. Let's just take the median, which is 230 volts times amps. Let's say 16 amps. 16 amps. You want to know how much power igedlela eliyenzayo. Igedlela draws 16 amps at what? At 230 volts. So 230 times 16 is what? 2000 and money? What is it? 210 is 2030. 4, 5, 6. Huh?
That is 280 times 16. 3,000, 3.67. 3.7K.
3007. 37. I think
700.
I think 7 school.
Okay, it's 368.
Okay, it's 37. Okay.
Yeah, 3.7.
3.7, yes.
Kilowatts.
It's 3,700 watts. The power of unit of measure for power, we call it watts. And after the man called watts, watts. Because ngoba sesiku 3,000 we are over 1,000, so it's kilo, yabo? But nevertheless, because it's represented, it's watts. It stays like that. Okay, this is fine, ne? But now we forgot the frequency. What is the frequency of everything and anything electrical?
60.
50 or 60 hertz. Already, this is a problem. One of the things I need,
Yeah, no problem.
the problem is 50, 60 hertz. It's low vibration frequency. Inyoni, why ngisho so book a bird which one le evuka imaxeni iyenzeni ivusa ihlahla. Sithi kusile evukani and stuff not is they range between 800 to 7,000 hertz. Inyoni. Yezwa into like chichi kukhumali
Ibavusa ihlahla.
Vibration.
yes,
Ngoba for the inyoni my khale so ivusa ihlahla
that's when the stomata open la kuma leaves avula khona. Yes. Isibuye size kuphi ngize ngikhulume ngani yini enye futhi engikhulume ngayo frequency yayo ama bells is 400. They start from 400 upwards and at 500 your DNA starts healing. Mawuhle nje under that spell. Yabo makhala inyoni la. Ngisho uma bekuthiwa kukhona into eyenziwe kuphi noma bathi yahlanya sibhidlisa izinto zakhe khohla ngeke ifike lapho as long as you in that space.
Yeah. Okay. Ingqondo yami igijima endle.
Yeah.
So manje uthi is that why ibhedlela banale nto le?
It defibrillator.
Uvusa umuntu. Your guess.
You can argue and say, but then again, at the same time, I can also say it's wrong because we know it operates at what? Every electricity you can think of is at 50 hertz. The battle between Tesla and Thomas Edison was what? Was frequency. Remember, if frequency is the thing, then it means to send electricity to James Lapana, I don't need any copper wires. I can just transmit it through the air. That electricity is official upon and do the thing. That's why Tesla had what what you call that tower of his, which was destroyed. And it was, do you know why it was destroyed? Simply because Thomas Edison, the guy who later joined and formed General Electric, and Tesla, both of them were funded by who? J.P. Morgan. The same J.P. Morgan who funded the building of the 3 sister ships, the Titanic, Olympic, and the Britannic. And we know the ship that sank is not the Titanic, but the Britannic. No, it is not the Titanic. Kwahamba nje kwawupenda kwashintsha igama same time immediately. Yes. Why? Because he's a banker. He's the one who funded these guys. And we also know ukuthi he had endeavors, especially Alaska and Canada, of what? Of copper mining. So Tesla was standing in the way of him of what? Making money, because that's the only way he was going to sell copper, because he was making wires of transmitting electricity. So in other words, you can, the same reason why you have Bluetooth, you could have electricity to endlini yakho. And are you aware ukuthi Ganda ukuthi mangithatha electricity ne and up the hertz, the frequency 3 4 5 6 7 800 2000 hertz, ngavele ngubambe solo gesi nguthinte ngapha, I won't be shocked. Angeke ungithoke. Why? Frequency. In other words, lo gesi ungcwele uholy. I don't know if you understand ukuthi ngiyaphi. So lempilo siphila is by design ukuthi njengoba kunje. Yabona? Mphese ngifunda nali verse nali. Bathini lana makukhulunywa uNkulunkulu asenze njani, asakhipha isiqalekiso against ini after uAdam noEva sebadlile ensimini. Uthini uNkulunkulu? Uverse bani loyo konje? I think it's chapter 3. Yeah, it's chapter 3. Chapter 3 verse 15. Chapter 3 verse 15 ngavela hlala kulo. I will put enmity between you and the woman. Usho kubani? Usho umfazi nani nenyoka. Yabo? I will put enmity between you and the woman, and between your offspring and her offspring. He shall bruise your head, and you shall bruise his heel. Yayizwa into leyo. I will put ini ubutha noma impi phakathi kwani kwenzalo yakho wena nyoka nenzalo kabani yalo mfazi. La ziyodibana khona ziyokhala. Inzalo yakhe will stomp on inzalo yani ikhanda lenzalo yakho. Bese inzalo yakho will luma ini the heel. So in other words, lempe esibhekane nayo is still the same impi phakathi kwani koSathane nani, because the snakes represents bani uSathane nani umntwana kaSathane inyoka, the offspring wenyoka nani neyomuntu. That's why most of what the Wi-Fi's antennas akuphi asema library nakuphi nasezikolweni. And then we wonder why lingana zimibehave kanjena nabothisha basazi banabo ma 20 years bafundisa ingane. Why? Is the frequency. Why? Le mimoya can descend. Kuphi? Because it's a low frequency area. Because the Wi-Fi operated what? The principle of what? 50 to 60 hertz. Another thing, uma ngabe abotishera sebafuna ukukhona ingane abacime ngisho ama siren we know ukuthi it operates ngogesi lo umuphi 50 hertz. Abacime ama siren basensini bells are higher frequency. It will help without prayer. In other words, ganda endlini yakho mfethu bese ngeke isidingo sokuthi uzuthandaza ukuxoxa imoya uma ngabe lo gesi lo bekuke ubushaya ibell, but even if the gesi frequency yakhona was high. I don't know if you get what I'm saying.
Yes, bro. Nazi Spider-Man 3.
No.
Venom.
Yes. Right. James Uzane, perfect example.
Okay.
Spider-Man 3 man, kuno Venom. So there was a battle between Spider-Man and Venom.
Venom is it's a bad.
No, it's a demon like thing.
Spider-Man
So there was this fight. So going team.
Yeah.
Shy ting sounds. Then that demon was like big step back.
Hey, James.
Okay.
Spider-Man I we bed straight. Shy bed. Lento la yaphuma kuyi. So makhala nje lento yebed nje lokhu yaphuma le yanto yabo ukuthi
in
frequency.
And endlini zabelungu akhona ama bells.
Hey, dog.
Oh, mina ngithi that's why
they also keep birds.
Yeah. Ukujabulele nje ukuthi uyahlala iyo dance. La ngidansa la ngithi
No.
Yes. So ubuthakathi changes forms and what not to keep you low frequency and what not besides ukudla and
so
stuff.
kubalekile ukuba nale nsimbi.
I can say it's very important, but then again at the same time we must also find a way to fight the Wi-Fi antennas because they are broadcasting in low frequency.
That's
Yeah.
into show. I know they are just I forgot the names. Go YouTube. Khona my video. They are saying when you join these elite groups or cults, you want elite families now. let's senze example ngama Freemasons.
Yeah, the
Asithi
Masons.
maybe if you join lama cult of Freemason, they teach you the frequency. How to how to become a millionaire. He speaks about frequency, high vibrations, and shuthi bakhuluma izinto njengoba ukhuluma manje kana zona ziyaxaka siz understand but yabona uJames, one thing about Hollywood,
Yeah.
Hollywood never lies.
Yes.
Hollywood movie yaqamba manje.
Hayi ingaqamba ngangwe yonke ema movie.
And do you know why bangaqamba
Mina
manje?
ngangicasuke kabi umfanekisano umfana ngithi ayikaze nje yenze into enje. Ngisemncane ngikhula. Yena khona mina likakhiswana ngithi awubheka iHollywood.
And you do know why they always have to make sure that they show it. It's by law between uSathane noNkulunkulu. Ukuthi you must make sure that it's available for the people. Don't do anything. That's why most of the information also mawuthi ayibuka bayikhipha kuphi ngalesikhathi ungazelele, you are unaware. That's why since isikhathi I don't know, I believe what you've seen ukuthi what you call this uye nje these cartoons.
Hey awungeke mfethu sekhona ama cartoon
No, but it's all the Simpsons. The Simpsons. You think they are revealing? No, they have to show it at some way or some form. The same way, for the same reason why, who's this? W. Bush the second. When they were bombing the Twin Towers, the 9/11, that 9/11, 2001, that thing. He was also talking about any bombs and buildings. Ngalenkathi kuphi avakashela ingane ecrash. So it's just the way ukuthi yo masokhuluma nabantu abadala abazosizwa. Awuthi senze ngazathi senzeni asikhulume nalabo abangeke basizwe and ngibeke zifu ngiyadlala. The same reason why mawubuza ama artists ma interviews makuthiwa so man, for instance, I think it's Rob or Bob Dylan, this guy. He was I'm not sure if he's Australian or something. There was an interview where he is probably 60 and he's still performing. But mara man, why ungayiko phumula uthi no, it's because I signed the deal with the devil, you know. Yeah, kumele akhulume sakudlala because that's what he did. He sold his soul for what? For fame. So he has to show it, but ngendlela ukuthi abantu they are not aware because uNkulunkulu it's war. Because uNkulunkulu wathini? Wathi alright uNkulunkulu wena Sathane uthi bathethe abantu bami it's fine. Mina I will amputate my arm and give it to you. Wenzeni? So that you can do whatever it is le ozoyenza kulabantu. But what? Let them go. So they are what? They are mine. That arm ubani uJesu. That's why when you read the Bible says indlebe yakhe yenze njani ayinzima ukube izwe. Kodwa isandla sakhe senze njani asifinyeziwe kube senzeni sisindise. Jesus is what? Is God's right hand arm. That's why when every time you read kuthiwani uJesu kuphi?
Kwesobunene.
Yes, because yabo. So they have to tell that. So hey, because of time bafethu nansenzwile nani ke unfortunately uSathane.
So uyasiqedela enkala kathi yabona sekulethe manje kusuke ekseni phela.
Yeah, basuke ekseni bafethu so.
Oh, fethu kusifika.
Afast. Is it?
Oh, fethu guys.
So yeah, I will finish ngalela langa ke bafethu and uNkulunkulu muhle ngendlela ukuthi last time I was here you remember that guy who called you and what ufuna ama number wami and what not. That guy told me, hey man, I have a revelation for you. And by that time, mangizanga apha ngithi mina yo uNkulunkulu. Ngiye. But then again, what you say if you when you decide ukuthi you gonna do an altar call, ngizoba service ngani abantu ngoba yasazi simo sami mina neze social media akusiza into zami so thini. And then that guy came ukuthi endoda uNkulunkulu uthi kimi ngize kuwe to help you with this and this and this. Ngathi yo uNkulunkulu cha ngiyabonga wena umkhulu. Yabona? Yes. So yeah, he's my friend. He's in Durban. Said Durban. Yeah, he's in Durban. So yeah. I'm going to Zoom. Yeah. Road to 200.
Road to 200.
Oh.
Subscribe.
Yeah, ngibona ukuthi manje lapha sizoyisu. Yeah. So yeah, bafethu I was just describing ukuthi what is sin in short and what is holiness. Holiness is high frequency. Is high frequency. High frequency. High frequency. Even imvula. The water emvula is holy than water we are treated by government. Why? It's because of frequency. We know what the frequency emvula is between 1,000 to 8,000 hertz. Oh, sivele yazicima. Working papers.